SmallRig and Transformers together at last. Not what you expected to see today, but let me explain. It's compact, it's portable, and with this transformation, it's now in cinema mode. Travel mode, cinema mode. Thanks to SmallRig for sponsoring this video. This is the SmallRig Transformers Megatron Edition, and I have the iPhone 17 Pro kit, and it's SmallRig's spring sale, but unfortunately, here in Canada, we got a bit of a late snow, so it looks like this. It's nice, but not very spring. So I figured I'd take a trip to find some early spring scenes. I'll give you some filmmaking tips along the way, and then at the end of this video, we're going to piece it all together into a cinematic masterpiece. It's greener here. There's ocean. So this is, I assume, the first camera cage for an iPhone that's been inspired by Megatron. Honestly, it looks great. Gerald Undone is gonna love the purple accents. And the kit you see here disassembles into parts for easy transport, and then comes together quickly for a dual handle setup. You have what they call the Hawklock H11 quick release system, and it feels really, really professional. Up top here, you also have this trigger button. You can put it on a different hot shoe if you want as well, or a different mounting position. But this is actually really helpful. And by pressing this button up here, which is usually just a piece of your grip, you can start and stop recording, or you can take a photo as well. And obviously this comes off, you can put this in your pocket, you can take a walk with it and trigger your camera on and off from a distance. Now, the first filmmaking tip that I have for you is about lighting and time of day. There are exceptions to this rule, and one of the exceptions, so you probably know the golden hour, blue hour is probably the more interesting time of day to film. For me though, in situations like this where the colors need to be really saturated, I actually prefer at least some sun. So right now the sun is at a place that I'm somewhat comfortable with it, and it is gonna get better and more golden theoretically, but with that goldenness, it will erase some of the blue from the pool because the colors kind of balance each other out, which is great if that's what you're going for. But if you really want those saturated colors to pop, it might be worth it to film in some brighter sun. The handles you'll see are stepless, so they're not gonna lock into a specific spot. You can put them exactly where you want. You can obviously also take them off and put this kit together however you want. You can even do a top handle if that's something you're interested in. So this SmallRig Transformers cage makes your phone into something that you can rig together, whether that means you're putting a light on one of these hot shoe mounts, or you're putting a microphone, or this really cool wireless monitor. SmallRig makes it really easy to attach whatever you want. Now, let's talk about the monitor for a moment, because honestly, it's really cool. You turn the monitor on, you scan the QR code, it connects you to the Wi-Fi, and then you screen mirror, and now you have a wireless monitor that will go far enough to be useful. You can use the remote that it comes with to trigger your camera, or you can take the one from your new SmallRig Transformers cage to trigger your recording. And you can put your monitor as part of the cage. And this next part is really nice. So this monitor, you can see a circle on the back. It actually MagSafes to your phone. So now you have a back screen that you can use. As you know, the rear cameras of your phone are probably a lot better than the front camera. I use my front camera a lot just because of the fact that I can see what I'm doing. And I will take the quality loss to use my front camera knowing that I can see everything in my frame. But now you're gonna see everything on the back of your phone as well. So if you are self-filming with this cage, you're able to see exactly what you're doing with the rear camera, which means you can use the wide angle lens, you can use the regular lens, or telephoto, maybe if you're at a distance. There are also a variety of really useful apps. So if you do want to get your colors looking exactly how mine are straight to camera, there's a bunch of apps that are going to help you do that. The less I have to do in post-production, the better. You can shoot just straight log footage and you can color grade everything in post and make it look exactly how you want. For me though, at least for travel content like this, I'd rather have everything pretty much done inside the camera rather than adding another step in post-production. I guess maybe because it's also my job to make videos too. So maybe I'm trying to limit more work that way. So if you do enjoy the process, feel free to enjoy the process. But if you just want to get this look straight at a camera, you can do that right now. Now here we are in Florence with the SmallRig Transformers cage, and this is no filter. Now we're adding a filter or another variation straight at a camera. And I know filmmaking isn't all about the gear, but gear certainly helps. Pieces like this filter attachment, this is a magnetic filter attachment for your phone. So that means if you want to use an ND filter or a black mist filter on your phone, you can just mount it right here and it covers all your cameras. And another piece of gear that attaches is this here zoom/macro lens. So there are two SmallRig macro pieces on the front here. So this is the zoom lens. And then you have two variations of macros. And look at us going for the zoom lens. So macro filters on the front here. You can use those if you want. You can use one, you can use two. Telephoto zoom lens. I don't know. I like it a lot more than I expected. I didn't expect to need or ever desire to carry around a telephoto lens, but this one that comes with this SmallRig Transformers kit, I find that it's a good balance. It's not too big. It's about that size, so it can come with you. I probably won't find myself using the macros too often because it's just not my style, but it is a really nice compact kit and it absolutely opens up different filmmaking opportunities. You can also mount this to any tripod. And then on the case, you also have a kickstand here as well. So if this case comes out of the cage, and now you have a kickstand for your phone, works in horizontal and it works in vertical. So the kit actually comes with two cases. So this is what I'm going to consider to be a travel case. It's a little softer, a little more low profile. Does the exact same thing the other case does. It clips in here, and something I haven't shown you yet. So to move these up and down, you might be like, I want it here. This is going to be more comfortable if the mount point is in the middle, and you can see it's a hex key. But underneath this door here, you didn't even think that was a door. Door and access to an Allen key. And now you're able to tighten and loosen. And now you can move this up and down. Where do you want it? There, right in the middle. Tighten it up. Transformation.
Bring in Madeira. When Taylor arrived, he wasn't quite sure what to expect. He'd come to the island to host a wedding photography workshop. But Madeira had a way of becoming the real story. From dense rainforest to dramatic mountain peaks and the Atlantic stretching endlessly beyond them, it's the kind of place that quietly pulls you in, beautiful in a way that's difficult to put into words. And before long, it was already clear this wouldn't be his last time here.
There it is, the SmallRig Transformers collaboration. A great system if you are looking for a really, really well-designed, physically well-made, modular kit that unlocks the power of your mobile phone. It breaks down easily into a kit that you can travel with, like we've done within this video. And it gives you an incredible amount of versatility, from the zoom lens to the wireless monitor to everything else you can get from SmallRig. Thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in anything that you've seen in this video, there are gonna be links down below. Again, SmallRig spring sale, get in before it's gone.